In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss and take profit in interactive brokers. Now, this is actually very simple. I'm here on the IBKR desktop app, and you want to go over here to wherever you actually want to start trading. I'm going to go to quote, and then here I'm going to just select Apple for this example, and over here on the right hand side, you want to open up the order, either buy order or sell order, whichever one you want to do. And then over here, all you have to really do is down here below where you set the quantity and then the order type and stuff like that, you can see it says attach orders. Just click on that, and over here the first one is profit taker, so this is basically a take profit. And then over here there's a stop loss. You can enable these, you can set them to whoever you want them to be, and then basically after you've set everything, you can go ahead and submit your order, either buy or sell, and that's going to take effect and add a stop loss or end a take profit. So that's all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.